Alrighty, welcome back. Hopefully I can do the intro here because I have a whole mouthful of marbles this morning, and there'll be a little gag reel at the end of this video of me trying to do the intro. But it's the second week in January. It's like mid-60s, beautiful day out. We're gonna go ahead and take the plow off the Silverado and take it over to my mechanics because it's the transmission lines are rubbing together somewhere underneath the truck, I guess, I hope. And but either way, he's got a lift and all. It's a whole lot easier for him to do it, and he's very reasonable. So just like everything else on the truck, the plow mount is beat up, banged up, mashed up because we use it for all kinds of things that you shouldn't. The plow mounts, that is, pulling, pushing, whatever. But first we gotta get some air in the tires, see if it'll start. And I don't want to let it run too long because the transmission lines, like I said, leak. But I did get, wait, it's filthy in here. It's a catch-all when they sit still. But I did get brand new transmission lines there, just in case that's the issue. Hopefully it is, like I said. But let's get started, enough blabbering. After reviewing the footage, I realized that I completely botched the startup of the Silverado, the Warhorse. That's Ace's favorite Christmas.
I can't go near Mommy's car.
Okay, we'll back up and go the other way. Turn right. It's a ride on Gravedigger, pretty cool. But anyway, like I said, I botched the video part of it, starting it up. It started good. It cranked a little slow, but not bad. And you'll see the time lapse of taking the snowplow off up next. I think it's pretty intensive to do. Like I said, the plow mounts are bent, and just makes it hard to do. Anybody that has a Fisher minute mount plow knows it's very easy to do, but it's like I said, it's all bent up. So there we go. Just wanted to clear that up. Right on the money this time, boys. Alrighty, here we go.
Out of your hand with this ball.
Throw it. Oh, good throw. All right, there we go. We all loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. I guess that'll be the thumbnail. Looks pretty good. Not too shabby. Family day, family fun day. There you go. All right, very good. See you on the road. Alrighty, so the Badger called me all in a tizzy last night saying how the AC place had a bunch of crap out here. So I live about 15 miles south of here, and I was like, well, I'm not gonna make a special trip up here for that. So we knocked two birds out with one stone, whatever that statement is, and picked up some money for a tow I did. And now we're gonna get the scrap. It is a lot. Thanks, Badger. We'll go ahead and pick this up. Look at that, boy. Alrighty, here's the load. Oh, I thought I was in fast forward there. Anyway, 8 or 10 fan motors, miscellaneous little pieces with transformers and wire and whatnot. They're all the same. A little piece with some brass. This is a all aluminum radiator, no sealed unit in it, but that's okay. What else? We got a whole AC unit. This one's an ACR aluminum copper radiator, so it's worth more for those of you who don't know. A couple more blower motors, little the steel plates. Oh, don't forget the sticks they left us. They like leaving us little treats. But the bottoms of the units with the piece of brass on it, we'll take them off. Sealed unit there, and some other miscellaneous tin that I just threw in the pile. So that's that solid $100 or $150 worth of stuff we grabbed there. And I see the local small engine guy stopped by, dropped off 15 or 20 little Briggs and Stratton motors and other stuff, backpack blower up there. So yeah, not too bad. We got to get cleaning up because this stuff's hanging out too far in the drive lane. Anyway, see what we can get into next. What do you say there, Badger?
What's up, Freezer? What's going on there?
Not much. Oh boy, got Jungle Boogie and a trunk full of treats. Great.
My sponsor called me and told me come get it. I said, shit, I'm on my way.
Okay, hold on, let me help you. Oh man, look at that.
Hey, you want to bring the car down here now? No. Huh?
No.
Leave it there? Where we going? You say you want to leave it up there?
Yeah. All right, so let's get your thought on the scrap pickup the other day, Badger. What did you think of that?
Oh,
See, I got it all laid out for you.
those, man, I think that was all right.
Yeah.
That was a good grab.
Yeah, that.
You know what?
Go ahead.
Them I can't, but these I think I can get these ones, Greasy.
Yeah, you can just break the head off if
No,
they're
they,
something goofy.
The screws, the nuts.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
come off. Well, wrong curve.
You'll figure it out. Did you see all the motors the guy dumped off?
All the ones?
All the motors?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man, we done. Oh, look at this.
Yep.
That's aluminum.
They're all aluminum, ding dong.
All these. We gonna
Yeah.
take them as aluminum box?
Oh, look at that. He must have just dropped more off. This big generator thing wasn't here earlier.
Oh, that's electric. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Hey,
Ace said hello.
Hi, Ace. Hi, man. How you? Hot dang, that's right. How you? You hit hard now, did you? Don't you hit me hard. Hey, Greasy,
Yeah.
how we gonna take them?
And some is number 1 or 10, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter.
I'm talking about these aluminum ones. What they gonna?
Well, dirty aluminum's only 6 cents a pound. That's 1 penny more than light steel.
So we might be taking this to steel.
Yeah.
Right. Hey, man, what
I saw them. They must be bears. That's like $400 or $500 worth.
is it? Seriously?
Yeah, at least.
They bears?
Yeah. All right, very
He
good.
laid them out there for a reason.
No, the guy brought them. The mechanic.
The mechanic brought them to him?
Yep. Drop them off here. All right, that'll conclude this video. See y'all next time.
What you got?
Alrighty, welcome back. It is like the first week in January. No, second week or something. I don't know. In January, and it's like mid-60s today. So we're gonna do something today. Still Saturday. Fool around, man. I don't even know why I try to do these 3 and 4 times in a row. I mess it up every time. Duh.